Welcome everyone to today's Explainer. Today we're embarking on a truly, absolutely magical journey. We are going on the number parade. That's right, it's going to be a magical journey starting at 30 and going all the way up to 40. And well, I'm definitely going to need all of your high energy to get us there.
Come a little closer. Gather around, explorers. Because today, we aren't just counting. Oh, no. We are going on a number parade. I want you to imagine we're trekking through a deep, vast jungle, or maybe marching straight through the gates of a magical kingdom. Can you march in place with me? Let's take it slow, just one magical step at a time.
Actually, before we take even one more step, I have to ask you one very, very important question. Are you ready? Wow, I heard you. That was a massive, resounding yes. All right, let's go.
Left, right, left, right. So here we are, starting at the very beginning of our marching line. And leading the way, right at the front of the pack, it's the number 30.
Now, for our very first number, I want you to make a big, round shape with your arms, exactly like the giant 0 in the number 30. Make the absolute biggest round shape you possibly can. Stretch them wide, really stretch, and hold it. Wow, that is a perfectly round shape. Excellent job, explorers.
Okay, let's move to and see how this builds, because marching right behind 30, we've got 31.
And now it's time for our next action. Are you ready? Wiggle your fingers like little stars. Come on, reach up super high and let me see those 10 fingers wiggling, shining so bright. Keep them moving, keep them shining. Oh, perfect.
Oh, look, here comes another friend marching down the path. I am so excited for this one to join the line. Yup, here comes 32.
So for 32, we actually need two big movements. Step 1, hop once, boing. Step 2, hop twice, boing, boing. Let's do that together, nice and slow, ready. Boing, and boing. Amazing, you are absolutely natural hoppers.
The parade just keeps on moving, marching to the beat. Left, right, left, right. Oh, hey, look over there. It's 33 joyfully joining in.
Now, for 33, we need to make some serious noise with our hands. Get your hands ready. Step 1, clap once. Step 2, clap twice. Step 3, clap 3 times. Let's do it together. Just follow my lead. Clap, 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 clap. Wow, what a fantastic rhythm you have.
So, the crucial point here is don't rush, just keep marching. Keep those feet moving to that steady beat. Because right behind 33 is our next friend. You guessed it, that's 34.
For 34, I need you to stretch your arms out wide, literally as far as they can possibly go. Reach out to the sides, stretch, stretch, stretch. Take up as much space as you can in the room. Fantastic stretching, everyone. Really great job.
All right, let's keep our parade moving along the magical path. Can you guess who's next? Here is 35.
You're doing such an incredible job keeping up with the parade today. You really deserve a reward. Give yourself a big high five. Go ahead, just clap those hands together right in front of you and give yourself a huge cheer. You are totally rocking this parade.
Wait a second. Who's that rolling into our parade line? Look at that, it's 36.
Okay, for 36, we've got a very special movement. Spin around slowly. Now remember, nice and slow so you don't get dizzy or bump into anything around you. I'm going to watch while you do one big, slow circle. Around you go. Keep your balance. Are you back? Awesome, great job.
You are doing absolutely wonderful. Your energy is just spectacular today, and our parade is getting longer and longer. Get ready, because here comes 37.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how much fun we can have when we really get into it. March with big, silly knees. Lift those knees up as high as they can possibly go. Left, right, left, right. Let's see those silly knees marching. Keep it up.
We're almost there, explorers. Keep those feet moving. We have just a few more numbers left in our magical journey. Look who is joining us next. Yep, it's 38.
I gotta say, this is my absolute favorite action of the entire parade. Are you ready? Wiggle your whole body like a noodle. Arms, legs, head, just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Get all that silly energy out. Wiggle to the left, wiggle to the right. Wow, that is some world-class noodle wiggling right there for sure. Okay, let's settle back into our steady marching rhythm. Left, right, left, right. This is it, folks, the very last number before our grand finale. Here is 39.
Now we need to get ready for the biggest moment of the parade. So, let's just calm down for a quick second. Take a big, deep breath. Breathe in with me, and breathe out. Let's do it one more time to get totally focused. Breathe in deeply, and let it out.
Boom! We made it. 40. Jump up into the air as high as you possibly can and shout it out. 40! We actually did it! Wow, you all are just incredible number explorers. Take a quick second to catch your breath. We marched all the way from 30 to 40 without missing a single beat. Now, I do have one final, exciting question for you to think about for our next adventure. Do you want to try our parade backwards next time? Just think about how incredibly fun that would be. Until then, keep exploring, keep counting, and keep marching.